Hi everyone, today we are learning how to single crochet into the third loop. It's a fun and easy technique that adds beautiful textures to your crochet work. I'm using a medium weight yarn and 4mm hook. Let's go through this step together. Step 1. I'm making a slip knot. Start by making a foundation chain. You can chain any number depending on the size you want. I'm making 60 at the moment. This is my foundation chain, and skip the very first chain from your hook. Then make one single crochet in each chain all the way across. Only one single crochet into each stitch. Turn your work when you reach the end. This is the last stitch. I'm making usual single crochet, and this is how it looks like end of your work. And chain one and turn your work. Then make one single crochet into the first stitch like normal, going under the top loop. Now take a closer look at the next stitch. Just under the back loop, you'll see a little horizontal bar. That's the third loop. Insert your hook into the third loop only and make a single crochet. Insert your hook, grab your yarn over and pull through the two loops. This is the third loop that we're making single crochet all the way across. end of your work, always make one single crochet into the last stitch and the very first stitch. So I'm repeating the step 3 actually. One single crochet and chain 1. Turn your work. This is the third loop. Crochet, so beautiful, and make one single crochet into the very first stitch. And from the second, be making single crochet but into the third loop, just right here. So to continue, just repeat step 3 through 6 for as many as rows you like. And here's a quick tip: keep your stitches a little loose. It makes it easier to see and work into that third loop. And I'll see you within another 10-15 rows later. And here's the finished piece. Look how stretchy is it, and that texture is just so beautiful. I'm finishing this row as well. The third loop technique gives it soft and knit-like look with a really nice flow. Perfect for the scarf, sweaters, or anything you want to feel cozy and look elegant. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you.